Good afternoon. I want to begin by framing cybersecurity in the proper context for Skybox Airways. For us, information security is not a technical support function, and it is not a compliance checkbox. It is a strategic capability that directs and enables safe operations, protect customer trust, and supports the long-term mission and vision of the organization. Because of that, how we communicate cybersecurity matters just as much as the controls we implement. Effective technical communication begins with audience analysis. When communicating with the board, our focus is not on tools or configurations, but on risk, operational impact, and business continuity. Our writing process follows a structured approach that includes planning, drafting, review, revision to ensure accuracy and clarity. Design elements such as consistent terminology, visual hierarchy, and concise messaging help translate complex security concepts into actionable executive insight. This professional discourse ensures cybersecurity supports leadership decision-making rather than overwhelming it. From a planning perspective, Skybox follows a structured 3 to 5 year information security roadmap that integrates operational, tactical, and strategic management. In years 1 and 2, the operational focus is on establishing and hardening foundational controls that directly protect critical airline systems. This includes enforcing role-based access controls, all departments, encrypting customer and operational data both at rest and in transit, strengthening endpoint security, and formalizing incident response and disaster recovery procedures. These controls are essential for protecting systems such as flight scheduling, ticketing, baggage tracking, and the mobile application where availability and integrity are mission critical. In years 2 and 3, these tactical focus shift towards maturity, visibility, and consistency. During this phase, Skybox expands centralized security monitoring, vulnerability management, phishing resistance training, and network segmentation between operational technology and public-facing services. Security solutions are evaluated based on their ability to integrate into airline operations without introducing friction or downtime. This phase ensures security becomes repeatable, measurable, and enforceable across the organization. By years 4 and 5, the strategic focus is governance and resilience. Cybersecurity is fully embedded into enterprise risk management, vendor and supply chain oversight, and technology expansion planning. Security metrics are reported regularly to executive leadership, and the security architect is designed to support innovation while maintaining regulatory compliance and operational reliability. At this level, cybersecurity directly supports business growth rather than reacting to threats. Successful implementation of this plan requires clearly defined organizational roles. The Board of Directors provides governance, oversight, and ensures cybersecurity remains aligned with long-term organizational strategy. The CEO translates the company's mission and vision into executive priorities that include resilience and trust. The CISO owns the cybersecurity strategy, policy, development, and incident response leadership. The CIO and IT leadership ensure secure system architect availability and integration with airline operations. Department managers enforce security practices within their teams, and employees support the program by following policies and reporting suspicious activity. Each role is accountable, and together they form a coordinated security governance structure. From a governance and compliance standpoint, Skybox aligns with established cybersecurity frameworks to balance regulatory requirements and operational needs. The NIST cybersecurity framework provides a functional structure through identity, protect, detect, respond, and recover. NIST SP 800-53 offers detailed technical and administrative controls appropriate for critical infrastructure environments, supports enterprise risk management, and continuous improvements. Using these frameworks together allows Skybox to meet compliance obligations while maintaining flexibility and business alignment. Cybersecurity effectiveness also depends on communication as problem-solving tools. Identifying and solving computing problems requires the ability to communicate technical risks to executives, procedural guidance to staff, and clear documentation to regulators and auditors. Strong oral and written communication reduces errors, improves response time during incidents, and ensures consistent execution of security controls across the organization. This information security plan directly aligns with Skybox's mission and vision. Our mission emphasizes technology-driven efficiency and customer-first service. A secure and resilient infrastructure ensures customers can trust our systems, our data, and our ability to operate reliably. Strategic goals set by the CEO are translated into tactical objectives by leadership and executed and executed operationally through security controls that protect safety, availability, and service quality. Finally, It is important to distinguish the structural elements of the cybersecurity program. Policies define what must be done and establish organizational intent. Standards define mandatory requirements for how policies are met. Guidelines provide recommended best practices and flexibility. Procedures provide step-by-step instructions for execution. Cybersecurity frameworks such as NIST and ISO ensure these elements work together as a cohesive program that aligns security requirements with business needs. In closing, cybersecurity at Skybox Airways is a strategic investment in safety, trust, and operational excellence. By planning across multiple years, assigning clear accountability, and communicating effectively at every level, information security becomes a core enabler of the organizational success. Thank you. Go Skybox.